Do you have photos on your phone that you want to get to Google Drive? How many ways have you tried? How many words of frustration have you said? I have seen so many people emailing their photos to themselves, opening them up on their computer, and then trying to get them to their Google Drive. This is not the best way. In this video, I will show you the fastest way to get your photos from your phone into Google Drive. Hello, I'm Amy Novick, a professional organizer, Google certified trainer, and productivity specialist. I empower business owners with Google solutions so that you can have time and space for what matters most. In the comments below, let me know your preferences or experiences with saving and sharing photos in Google Photos and Google Drive. If you are struggling to make time to organize your digital photos or other digital content, or want some tips, join one of our digital organizing workshops, where you get 2 hours of hands-on co-working time with an expert digital organizer by your side. The fastest way to get photos from your phone to Google Drive is by using the Google Drive app on your phone. First, be sure you have a Google account for which you know the email and the password. Be sure that account is installed to your phone and log in with it. Make sure you have Google Drive installed on your phone. Open it up. Make sure you're in the correct account in the upper right. Choose a folder by navigating through either searching or files at the bottom. I selected test folder. Now I'm test folder level 2. And now if I click the plus in the bottom right, I can choose upload, and I can upload photos and videos from my phone. Once you have the albums from your phone open, I'm going to just choose favorites, and then I can select a few photos and click upload in the upper right. And now those photos are getting uploaded into the test folder that I chose at the top, you can see. And it shows me the progress of the uploads, so I need to keep the screen open. Note, they will likely upload faster if you are connected to Wi-Fi. And now I can see that these 3 photos, 1, 2, 3, are in my Google folder that I selected before I started. And if I go to my computer, those 3 photos are going to be in that folder on my computer as well. I know that your first instinct is to go to the Photos app on your phone, select the photos you want, and then share or send them to Google Drive. But uploading photos into Drive works much better and faster if you start from Google Drive using the correct account and folder, then choose the photos you want to upload. If this information was helpful, like and share this video with others who might need it too. If you want more tips like this or some help and guidance for similar tasks, join our digital organizing workshops to ensure you set aside time to organize your photos, digital files, or just ask some Google questions.